Now suppose you've written out 5 minutes to do at an open mic. Maybe it's 7 minutes. Maybe you're going a little further than that. How do you really prepare for this? Well, I have some cameras. I like to shoot myself, not in the face like that, but I want to look at what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong. Build yourself a fake microphone. Consider that most places are wireless now, and even if there is a wire or a cord, for this case, you want to be able to walk around with this. You don't want to be standing leering over the mic stand. It just doesn't make for a good look. It's a little low energy. It's a little behind the times. I would not even recommend sitting down, to be frank with you. Though I am right now, I want you to see you moving around a bit. Have a little bit of energy. If you're an unknown, it's going to be very hard to get by on the low energy, super self-deprecating ways. Yeah, you're better off making fun of yourself than you are the crowd if you're an unknown. But you need to be able to sell some of this stuff. You got to sell it to people. You got to grin a little bit, not laugh at your own jokes, or not a whole lot anyways, but show them that, hey, it's time to be exciting and fun here. You don't bring a drink with you up on stage. I hate these guys who are like, I'm telling a joke, now I'm going to take a sip. That's when you're supposed to laugh. It's like this weird psychological cue. I don't find it funny. I think it brings down the energy. It destroys the set itself. It's lazy. Don't do it. But how do you practice? That was supposed to be the point of this video. SE, special edition, baby. And what I do is, I will actually say my stuff, record it, play it back to me. Over and over and over. I don't necessarily practice the set myself many times. I used to do that, and I found it to be a problem. Because I found that I was learning the set word for word. And you don't know what's going to happen up on stage. You don't know if there's going to be a time conflict. Maybe you need to respond to some heckler, somebody in the crowd. Any number of things could get in your way. You don't want to trip over your own words on top of that. So know your jokes. Don't know your whole routine.